Samsung's next wave of foldables is creeping closer, and if the leaks are anything to go by, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a game changer. While Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, the rumor mill is working overtime. And this time, we've got a look at what might be the official cases for both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. Tipsterous Universe dropped some juicy images on Weibo via Tom's Guide, revealing cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in multiple colors. But what's really interesting? These leaks seem to confirm a major redesign. According to the images, the Flip 7 could feature a larger 4-inch cover display, a big jump from the Flip 6's 3.6-inch panel. And forget that folder-like window from last year's model. This time, Samsung could be going all in on an edge-to-edge outer display, similar to the Motorola Razr 2024. More screen, fewer bezels, that's a win. The renders also give us a peek at the Flip 7's rear camera setup, likely packing a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. Meanwhile, additional leaks on X show off real-life protective films and cases for the Flip 7, confirming key design elements. The case cutouts suggest a larger cover display, dedicated space for the volume and power buttons, and possibly a refined hinge mechanism for a smoother fold. Design is only part of the story. Samsung also seems to be making performance upgrades where it matters. Rumors hint at a larger vapor chamber to keep things cool under heavy use, a proscalar display algorithm, first seen in the Galaxy S25 series, for smoother visuals and more efficient charging. While 25 watts charging isn't exactly cutting edge, if Samsung can boost efficiency and reduce heat buildup, it might still be a solid upgrade. One of the biggest complaints about the Flip 6 was the limited cover screen functionality. It looked great, but felt underutilized. If Samsung finally unlocks full app support, allowing messaging, navigation, and a complete camera UI, that outer screen could go from a gimmick to a genuinely useful feature. And then there's performance. If the Flip 7 comes with the Exynos 2500, Samsung needs to make sure it holds its own against Snapdragon alternatives. No overheating, no battery drain, just smooth, reliable power. Samsung isn't just playing Flip 7, it's looking to dominate the foldable scene again. If the rumors are true, we could see a bigger and better outer display, slimmer bezels, a refined hinge, and possibly a titanium frame for extra durability. If Samsung nails these upgrades, the Z Flip 7 could easily be the best clamshell foldable on the market. But as always, the devil is in the details. We'll have to wait for the official launch to see if it lives up to the hype. So, what's your wish list for the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Are these upgrades enough to make you upgrade, or are you holding out for something more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, take care.